specifically to the city park for that reason.
Because when we held like events at like an off-road park, everybody have to pay to get in, and then
they do.
And so here you don't have to pay anything. You just pay to get into the class you want to run.
Yeah.
To win your awards. You know, if you win.
And you got action at plenty. Okay.
So we've been to go tally up the scores, see who won this competition 4x4.
Rusty won.
I don't know. We're about to go find out.
I'm bad.
I gotta go find out. I gotta go
crunch the numbers.
Man, Rusty cold, man.
But here, man.
You ain't in it. Appreciate it, mister. You not in it though, right? Yeah, you ain't in it. Yeah, your points don't count. Do your points don't count either?
Nah, I don't.
Well, then Rusty won.
We stack up against other people.
Yeah.
People want to see because we
want to see. Yeah.
We have over a decade of experience doing this.
Yeah.
So they do want to. So oftentimes, yeah, we don't compete for the actual.
Yeah,
winning.
but y'all be seeing where. If y'all was in the competition, where would you have won, or who would have beat
y'all? A lot
y'all?
of other people like to compare to us.
I'm up there
right
with,
on his level, and I'm good to go.
Yeah,
so
that is good. I'll be wanting to be on your level. I'll be thinking yours is. They said you not human, so I'll at least try to get to the one that's human. I want to get on his level.
Drive. I left that crawler plugged in over there, so you're welcome to drive the
car
I was just competing with.
Okay, bet. I'll try to make a full pass.
So I'm gonna go do the math on this, and we'll get back to you.
Okay. Man, not the hardest one, that's for sure.
This is the hardest one.
Yeah, this thing here. Wheel getting stuck. Let me see. Can you ask why my Smart 3S battery, when plugging in a balancer to spectre charging, doesn't recognize battery? Probably because you probably got a smart battery with a wrong charger.
And then smart batteries are very faulty.
Yeah.
Because of that technology in the battery.
Yeah.
And everything, they're not as reliable as just a normal LiPo battery.
Yeah.
With your connector.
Bam. See, I was able to answer that question for you. Let me see. Who all else in here, man? That's why we got Team Thundercock in the bed. This is a great hobby. I'm glad to see the city understands the benefit of this when it comes to such an important pastime. And my friend, these folks are so dedicated to that. It's really cool to see that. Everyone in here is fucking cool. Explaining parks, techniques, business stuff, all the different kinds of events they do. RC, dude was saying they do RC cars. Have a top 30 list like the NPK. How cool. It's a smart spectrum charger. Dang. He said it's a smart spectrum charger. So I guess he feel like
he ain't working all together, then there's something else that's wrong.
Yeah, man. Go to the Hobby Lobby.
Check his cells on the battery too. Yeah, maybe the battery went out. And it could just be one loose connection on the battery, and it won't charge up.
Yeah. Go up there to Hobby Lobby and show them. Plug it up right in front of them and say, look out. That's all you got to do, man.
That's all you get.
We don't really know, man. It seemed like Gavin a technician, but shit, only for his, man. That's because he done welded all the parts.
Here, you want to drive it?
Yeah, man. Hey, y'all. Look out, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and jump out live one time for the one time. I got short cords and everything now. I'm about to get ready to head back to Dallas or Ferris, Texas, where they're going to be having the Winter Blast event. Supposed to have Silver Dollar versus the Trans Am. There's supposed to be a couple more good grudge races happening. We'll get to that when we get to it. But y'all look out one time for the one time. I done had a great time, man. Thanks for the stream. Really dope content. Tell the RC group thanks for letting us tag along and see this already, man. Well, hey, y'all. Everybody happy and like the stream.
Awesome.
Already.
We appreciate you, chat.
Yeah, we on there. Y'all stay live. Appreciate all the new followers and the subscribers. Look out.